Anybody watching this, don't force trades. Don't make yourself do anything you don't want to do. Would you rather trade or would you rather be able to enjoy this view?
You put your foot, your chin, your back.
Fuck the car. Fuck the car right here. Let me see y'all see the view. See the view. See the cars. But we're in Miami. Got the hotel. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. And today's gonna be a boat day. We're gonna be on the boat, on the water, getting active. I'm not gonna be trading today. As you guys know, the last couple of days I've been getting cooked. I haven't been trading the funded account, haven't been trading my live account. Got a banana. But I am trading challenges, and I've been getting cooked on the challenges. It's not real money, so I'm not really pressed on it. I made 10 times the amount of money from all my other business that I spent on the challenges, so I'm not really worried about it. Now, I still want to pass on. I'm just not gonna force it today. I'm gonna enjoy the boat. I'm gonna enjoy actually the vacation, going on the water. Because this is my first time like taking like a sailing day, and it's out the country. I'm enjoying it, so let's get straight to it. Anybody watching this, don't force trades. Don't make yourself do anything you don't want to do. Don't do anything that's going to potentially have negative results. And I'm not trying to take an L on a Friday. There's no point in me blowing these challenges, even though I've been taking L's. I'd rather come back next week with a fresh mind at my setup, 100% back in the routine. I'm enjoying the view. Look at this. Would you rather trade or would you rather be able to enjoy this view and go to the pool? I'd rather go to the pool. Before that though, you know what time it is. You gotta get these push-ups. Grind don't stop, there's no gym. But that don't mean we can't work out. But overall, St. Martin was thorough. St. Martin was very thorough. First time out of country for my girl. I've been to Mexico, I've been to Bermuda. So like third time for me, but it's beautiful here. It's beautiful. Great Airbnb too. I need an apartment like this back at home. No cap, this trip motivated me to go harder, get bigger, make more money, more content, change more lives, all that. But it's early right now. It's only about 7:30. We up early. Ain't nobody even up. It's just us. But that's just how I like it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Give myself some time to get up. Probably head to the pool. Something. We just gonna enjoy it here. Simple as that. I'm gonna take the small boat to the big boat. Don't know where the big boat is, but it's somewhere.
Top at the edge, you just go over the railing.
I need one hand to help me.
About to go snorkeling. Look at this water. Looks crazy. There's fish over there. These villas up here look crazy. But nah, this water, I need to jump in. I need to get these snorkels on. No cap.
How's it feel?
Back from the boat. Let me open this. It's not dark in here. There we go. Just got back from the boat. We about to go see if we can go do some jet skis because there's Simpson Bay. Simpson Bay is like the water right next to where we're staying. We were just on the boat, like just going around the whole island. We was just going for like 5 hours. It's about to be 4 o'clock. We're gonna see if we can do some jet skis. Today is the last full day. We're here tomorrow morning, but this last full day. see what the jet skis hitting for, see what the price is looking like. Because the only thing, we would have did the jet skis at the place we went to the beach yesterday because it was cheaper. But we don't know what the price is about there. Back at the crib, there was no jet skis. Jet skis were gone. I just remember we got back, we're about to go to the pool. Yeah, there was no jet skis. Kind of saved the pockets, but it's a little unfortunate. We would have liked to do jet skis. If we want to do jet skis in like Tampa, it'll be probably like 175, 170. So it's way cheaper here, especially on the island, but it is what it is. Jet skis ain't gonna go nowhere.
170 in Tampa?
Yeah, like 170. So 110 for jet skis here. But then again, it's not horrible because that was just cheap there. Because the ones I was just looking at were like 150, 140, 130. So it's around, it's not that much different, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? But we about to head to the pool. It's hot. Like, look at this. Look at the 360. I would need a before and after to really be able to, like, you can see all the salt on me. But look, if you really want a good before, that's like what I look like before. that's a good difference. Good difference for you. And the back was really like charcoal. Look at that. All fucking burnt. I've seen the pool already. I think my parents are in there right now. Probably be able to show them. Real quick skis. This sun here is different. Just being on the island sun, anybody that knows, you know, because there ain't no type of shade, no type of nothing. It's hot. My son's cooked, and then after that, we got to go get some food. And then, yeah, it's pretty early, but for the most part, the day took all the energy out of us from being in the water, being in the sun, just snorkeling, swimming, full body workout. My push-ups, my pull-ups, my body just cooked, literally. Yeah, there they are right there. Still feels nicer than all of our pools on a hot, sunny day.
True.
Good morning swim. Get all these cuts on my body nice and cleaned up.
You put your foot, your chin, your back.
Yep. After we're done swimming, chill for a little bit, then we gotta head to the airport. We're done. This probably won't really, I don't even know if you'll see any more clips of St. Martin because it's not really gonna be anything else I can show y'all besides what I already did. We scratched the pool. We're about to, almost just slipped in that puck. But as I was about to say before I slipped, scratch the pool, we about to head to the beach, see if anybody's over here. We haven't been to this one. Yeah, the water definitely looks nicer during the day though. Like it looks clearer, cleaner than how it do at night for sure. So I didn't think this water was gonna be nice and clean. We're dark, this is dark. Jet skis are over here, we about to walk on over to it. This is the beach we came to the first night when we ate food, but this is the first time like during the day, and bro, this sun is hitting right now. It's a nice view though. Where's the restaurant? Nah, the internet here ain't it, man. But we be back in Tampa soon. But look at the view though. Can't get rid of the view. I mean mad at the view. I mean tired of the view. You know what I mean. Alright, this is the last night. This is her first time out of the country. The wind's probably crazy right now. But this is the last night here. Just came up here to see the view for all this goodness. Yeah, the water definitely looks nicer during the day though. Like it looks clearer, cleaner than how it do at night for sure. This is all cool. This is a nice beach though. The water's real blue. Real blue. We at the bar before we head out. You can see like the planes and everything like land over here. We got the drink over there. You can see like all the planes land from over here and everything. And the water. Don't look that big. They're from JFK. Full size. I'm about to get it all the way up. Right under there. El Carro. I'm Becco. You look so dirty. Holy shit. Damn. Yeah, unfortunately, the car is leaking all this coolant. I don't know what the fuck happened, to be honest with you. Fuck the car. Fuck the car right now. We about to get it towed. We still got all this shit from St. Martin in here. It's leaking. I ain't gonna show y'all too much because you can't really see much, but yeah, you can see the shit leaking all that coolant. But we're in Miami. The only bad thing is she has work. That's the only bad thing. If she didn't have work, I think everything would be fine. But it's just, cause I'm chilling. It's more than less. She's more stressing. But we in Miami, as you can see from the view back there and the loud cars. I'm about to pull this now. Just so y'all can see the view. To be honest, you can see cars. But we're in Miami. Got the hotel. No car right now. No car. Unfortunate. I didn't even get to go buy the microphone that I was gonna go get. The main thing that we were gonna do in Miami, I was gonna go buy a new microphone, the one that I lost on the first day going to St. Martin. And then I realized the car was over here now. Hopefully it's nothing major. We're gonna get it fixed and everything in the morning. But right now we're at the hotel. About to order some food. About to relax. But now we're in Miami for a day or two. So that's that. Not sure how it happened, but it did. But with that being said, this is where we're gonna end it off. I honestly don't even know where this video is. This is probably like a 2-day video. I honestly don't know. I've been recording for like 48 hours. Yeah, it's something. But if you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out the free course if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn what I do on a day-to-day basis. The free course, trading, the trading webinars, all of it. And once you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals, you can trade with me every morning, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on the days that I'm not having stuff like this happen. But it's a weekend, so it's not going to be trading. We're going to have sessions, but it's going to be at nighttime. I'm going to make the sessions that I do with VIP at night. What? You weren't in it until you like put your face in it. But yeah, so we have 2 VIP sessions this weekend. I'm going to try to do them one tomorrow night and then one Sunday night. I was going to do them in the morning, but I'm going to have things to do in the morning. So I'm just going to leave it for the end of the night. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.